Every second counts in the automotive and energy storage production. Precision, speed and innovation decide who leads the race. And that's exactly where FlexLink makes a difference. Hi, I'm Martin Oberberger and I lead market development for Automotive at FlexLink. For over a decade, I have worked with some of the world's most innovative automotive and energy storage manufacturers, helping them boost efficiency, cut downtime and achieve more with every line they have. At FlexLink, it's all about creating smarter production. Whether it's building electrical vehicles or energy storage systems, we help customers scale faster and more sustainable. Our teams combine deep industry know-how with flexible automation solutions that fits your exact needs, from small improvements to full-scale systems. And because we work globally, we bring one standard of quality to every site, everywhere. That's how our customers stay competitive in an industry that never slows down. If you are ready to take your automotive or energy storage production to the next level, let's make it happen together. FlexLink connects innovation with people, turning complexity into smooth, efficient production. Connect with your FlexLink expert now.